Hey guys, subscribe to Call the Spotsman Movie Fans YouTube channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Call the SpongeBob Movie 3 Fan Studios presents. Evil Chicken spends $1,000 on Chicken's credit card and gets grounded. And was inspired by Brendan Barney, Spectrum Animate 2021, Justin Animate 2021, Sham 1997, Janu the Video Maker 2005, Agent Animate 2021, and Loco Chicano Animator 2021.
Gee, it sure is a lovely day for being grounded. It's not like I have anything better to do. Now just gave me an idea. Spending $1,000 on Chicken's credit card is the perfect crime.
Later that day.
Chicken's credit card, just the thing I need.
Later.
Now's where the fun really begins.
Later that day.
Now this is what I called living large.
Evil Chicken, get down here, right now.
What have you called me in for, Chicken?
I checked my banking account, and $1,000 dropped from it. You didn't spend it on useless items, did you?
Unfortunately, yes!
What? Oh my god! You little head. How could you spend $1,000 without my permission? You are so grounded for life. Get your in that room and stay in there, and don't even think about doing it again.
Whatever you say, Chicken.